Hey guys, so today I have here my JBL TUNE750BTNC wireless headphones, and this is here the unboxing video with these active noise cancelling headphones. And so here the feature list is on the back. So we have the JBL pure bass sound, of course active noise cancellation, then hands-free calls and voice control, multi-point connections. You can connect multiple devices at the same time, and they are lightweight, so they're only 220 grams or less than 7.8 ounces. And they also additionally come with a wired connection, so there is a detachable audio cable in case you prefer using that. And this also helps you to increase the time that you can play here with active noise cancelling. And if you just play on the wirelessly here with Bluetooth, then you have a play time of 15 hours with noise cancelling, and without noise cancelling 22 hours. Okay, so now let's have a look at what's inside of the box here. So first we have here the detachable audio cable. This is about 1 meter long, or just a little more than 3 feet. Then we have here the charging cable, USB to still micro USB. So this model does not have the USB Type-C connector. Then next let's take a look at the paperwork here. So there's here the Quickstart guide. I'm just going to go through this here really quick. In case you want to take a closer look at what the details are here, then I suggest you just pause the video for a second so you can read this. And other than that, here we also have then the specifications in case you're interested in those. And then it's already time here to take a look at the headphones themselves. Let me take those out. You can see here, yeah, mostly plastic and fake leather that you see here. See, this is the headband is here, a little soft area, and then you see here the cushioning has the fake leather. Then you can the ear cups here, you can tilt those out in one direction only, so you can fold them, and so you can store them that way. And then you can also fold them in like this, both sides. And of course here you can extend them to make them fit. Okay, so now let's have a look at the ear cups here. So you can see here left and right. They're written inside of the ear cups. And then here on the right one, you can see here on the top, that's where the charging port is, micro USB charging port. And also like a hole, probably for the microphones for the active noise cancellation. And then we have more buttons here on the right side. So plus minus for the volume, and then like a play pause button. Here the cable, the connector for the cable, audio cable, then active noise cancelling button and power button. And then here maybe another hole for the microphone for voice calls. And then here the left side, there is no buttons at all. That's just the one hole here, probably for a microphone as well. Yeah, and this is already it here, the unboxing video of the JBL TUNE750BTNC. If you have any more questions, leave a comment below, and don't forget to check out my other videos about these headphones.